Waterborne diseases. According to the World Health Organization, every year, lakhs of human beings are being wiped out. Yes, precious lives. Till 2025, the death rate due to waterborne diseases to a massive 10 lakhs and above. The worst consequence of this waterborne disease is that the children are the worst affected. The children are the future of our country, who would make it strong and progressive, and we cannot accept that our future is being pushed into unhealthy generation. The proud Malayalis who think that we have achieved great heights in the field of health and medicine have definitely mistaken. Examples are intermittent cholera and other waterborne diseases. Even though most of the diseases are claimed to be driven out from us, it has created a dangerous situation in our surroundings. According to a Chinese proverb, ignorance leads to dreadful disasters, which proves true. We have to be alert against these waterborne diseases, which is essential for the sustainable future of our future generations as well as ours.
Nowadays, the accumulated dirt in water tanks such as mosses and fungus create a very big health issue. According to the health experts, most of the contagious diseases are caused due to these accumulated debris and water pollution.
Above all, it mostly affects kids and the elderly people.
Due to this carelessness, we often have to pay huge returns unknowingly. According to the WHO statistics, lakhs and lakhs of children are being victimized due to water pollution. If each of us pay a little attention, we can easily come out of this tough situation.
To reduce the expenses and time we spend in the hospital every year, the loss of academic days in schools, and the health issues caused due to the use of antibiotics, we have to make sure the quality of water we drink.
According to the World Health Organization, the countries in which the water tanks are cleaned regularly have lesser risk of waterborne diseases.
But due to the time loss and difficulty in cleaning the water tanks often, most of the people in our country avoid this cleaning process.
Yes, now we have a wonderful solution for the cleaning which used to be a burden and hectic. A very simple solution. We are presenting here Hanbaz Easy Water Tank Cleaner. As first of its kind in the world.
As an asset for the protection of public health in India as well as 152 countries all over the world, we have a patent certified product from God's own country with its own signature, our own Hanbaz Water Tank Cleaner.
Most of the people ask their concern as to why to clean the water tanks often. The reason for this is a low awareness among the public about the cleanliness of water tanks.
Due to water pollution, many disease-causing microorganisms and bacteria multiply in the water tanks, causing a massive challenge to the health department. Disease-causing microbes such as coliform bacteria and dengue virus multiplied rapidly within a week in plastic water tanks. Such water tanks spread diseases, if not cleaned once in every 2 months, causes health issues in children and elderly people. So the quality of water we drink and the way it is stored is very important. The unclean and dirty water tanks play a major role in the spreading of waterborne diseases in most of the countries.
Well said. When we consider the time and effort taken to clean a water tank, we always tend to give it a second thought. A thought of hiring workers from outside is always suppressed by the thought of labor cost, non-availability of skilled labor, and also the different kinds of skin diseases they may have. Many a times, we try to back out from this situation. Moreover, the damage to the expensive pipes and taps in the bathroom is also caused due to the outflow of such contaminated water from the water tanks. The clean water flowing out from the tap does not assure you of the cleanliness of water tanks. By opening the lid of the water tank while filling water in it will give you a clear picture of the water in the water tanks. The pipes and taps which would have long lasted in clean fresh water gets easily damaged in this contaminated water. If you spend a small portion of the financial damage caused by such repairs, you can keep your plumbing instruments safe and long lasting. Now, the price of the product is as low as Rs 1,600. The product will be delivered at your doorstep.
The problem which never had a solution now has a smart solution: Handba's Easy Water Tank Cleaner.
This is a very essential product in every household, so the company is introducing it in Kerala at an affordable price as low as Rs 1,600 only. Cash on delivery option is available.
So a product at a price as low as 1,600 rupees that can be used lifelong is a blessing for the customers of Kerala, and that too with 1-year guarantee. This became possible only because this product was built in Kerala.
Not only this, there is no use of any other harmful chemicals or using electricity in this cleaning process. Moreover, the speciality of Handba's water tank cleaner is, even if the tank is full of water, the tank can be cleaned without contaminating the rest of the water. That is, the water in the tank need not be emptied to clean the tank.
Even small kids can use this instrument to clean the water tank within 10 to 15 minutes. Another specialty of this instrument is that the impurities can be fully removed without mixing it with the rest of the water.
This tank is dirty with lots of mud and other impurities. This can be cleaned within no time with Handba's water tank cleaner. The brushes of the water tank cleaner is fixed to the vacuum hole after filling it with water and closing the ball valve. The length of the handle can be increased or decreased according to your choice. Now lower the handle into the bottom of the water tank. While brushing the dirt from the bottom of the water tank, open the valve which enables the outflow of dirt and impurities along with some water. As it has a non-return hole valve washer, the dirt will not flow back into the tank. The principle used in our country in olden days to transfer kerosene from big barrels to small bottles or cans using the siphonic principal gravity force of hand pumps is used by us here. The principle is made practical with the help of adjustable telescopic pole and vacuum brushes according to the height of the water tank.
The much-awaited solution for the water tank cleaning technique at a very low price. With patent certificate and recognition from India and 150 countries around the world, here comes Handba's Easy Water Tank Cleaner. It's being manufactured in our own Kerala at Palakkad Industrial Estate, most modern factory Eurotech Polymers. Since this product has to be exported to many countries facing the same problem, to get your timely delivery, order now. You have to pay the money only when the product reaches your home.
This product, which comes with a 1-year guarantee, can not only be used lifelong but also needs zero maintenance and repair.
Water can be enjoyed at its cleanest form while drinking, brushing, bathing or mouth washing with Handba's Easy Water Tank Cleaner.
I don't make compromises when it comes to pure water. To ensure a healthy lifestyle, it is necessary to drink pure water. Although I plan on cleaning the water tank at least once in 2 or 3 months, it's not possible to do it at least once a year due to its difficulty. To save time, I've tried using many machines, but I was not satisfied with any of them. But Handba's water tank cleaner is very smart. The main reason for that is, no other company provides this quality at such reasonable price than Handba's. Now cleaning the tank can be done in just 5 minutes. Save money, save time and save life. Handba's water tank cleaner.
Every house with a water tank should definitely have one Handba's Easy Water Vacuum Tank Cleaner. You can easily own one by just spending 1,600 rupees, that too with a cash on delivery offer. To order now, just give a missed call to the number on your television screen.
The much-awaited, smart, easy, intelligent and permanent solution for your water tank cleaning problem. And that too at an affordable price for everyone. Just 1,600 rupees only. You have to pay the money when it reaches your home. To order this product, call now. Buy just a missed call.
Cleaning the water tank in between the busy routine? has always been difficult for housewives like me. I've tried using many machines for this problem. Despite from the loss of time and water, the tank does not become completely clean. Even if we do it 3 or 4 times a year, it takes a lot of time to complete this. I usually plan to do it later because of the difficulty in cleaning it. I've had to spend a lot of money in cleaning the tank without knowing its condition when I hired labor from outside. If I ask my children to clean the tank, they are also not interested. Handbar's water tank cleaner is a smart solution to all these problems. Without wasting water from the tank, I'm able to clean the water tank in just 5 minutes. Handbar's water tank cleaner ensures that my family is healthy. Thanks to Handbar's, thanks to water tank cleaner. It will be an asset towards the conservation of the health of the public. Not only in India but in 152 other countries. With patent certification and recognition from God's own country, Kerala's signature surprise. Handbar's Easy Vacuum Tank Cleaner.